Day 3. It looks like a sea of, just a sea of stuff. Oh my goodness. Sea of stuff. Again, the fan is the most awesomeness thing in here. I'm getting really tired, but this is super fun. And boop, 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 boop. Alert, alert, it's a Dalmatian, which I'm taking out for Lauren Crump. I have one Dalmatian in hand. There's just so much stuff, guys. I can't even, I have all this stuff, which is new stuff, so not my favorite, but I mean, you know, they're still cute. I like some of them. I like old stuff best, but these are cute. Blessed. I love the barn. Actually thought about keeping it. Thought about putting this one in the camper, but it doesn't cover the spot. I like that one as well. There's just all kinds of sets and things, and these are pretty cute. They came from Dollar General. I got them at a remodel. These are the kind of things that I put in my camper so far. I haven't hung them permanently yet, but when I'm swapping out things, this is what I put. And I really like this one. Bullymore, you're planted. So many different things and pictures, and while it's new, it's still cool. I like these a lot. I had like an S. They don't have my, there's no J. There's only an S, which is good for Steve and Slushy, but you know, you've got these and Cherish, and then some ones back there, and then these sets, which I think are really cute. I've sold several of these kind of sets. I sold this one already, but I think it was pink. And that one. There's all kinds. But anyway, everything's out from under the tables, and it's just, it's everywhere. I have a blank spot here and here, and I have a blank spot, boop, right there, and on the front table. But I found more vintage Tupperware. A George Foreman grill, which doesn't every yard sale have a George Foreman grill? I'm pretty sure it does. Oh, Elmer School glue and a train. So, I also have all of these tables to fill. Eli and Steve have gone to get me things to put outside. Things that don't matter if it rains on them. All these chairs. Some good stuff. Anyway, hopefully I can find the right tubs for things that can stay outside. Because, oh no. It sprinkled once already, but I made sure to put only things outside that could be outside, so hopefully we won't have a deluge. All right, well, I'll talk to you guys later. Oh man. That's how it goes. Excuse the giant June bugs flying everywhere. I don't know about you, but I'll try to get a picture of our yard. It's crazy. Taylor, is that what you mean right there? That looks like jadeite from a distance, but that's actually a big piece of pottery. Anyway, it's got a couple of like little bitty chips, but yeah, see, it's just a huge piece of pottery. I'm thinking it's a bird bath, the top of a bird bath. So, I need to flip over all of these things that we had out for the rain, covered up for the rain. that's what they brought me to work with. Got a fold-out bed. Move the badminton out. There's just so much stuff. Way too much. I had it spread out, but now, can't spread it out and don't want to. There's just so much stuff. Oh, I've got this antique metal bed. All of this stuff. Egg crates. One of them's dented. See, I've got all these empty spaces, and a lot of this stuff I can put on the ground, but I saw that we're expecting wind later, so that's never something I enjoy. I don't like wind. After having had some very, very bad experiences with it set up, like circus tents flying through the air, stabbing trailers over and over, stuff like that. Lord's protection definitely all over us. All kinds of cool stuff. So anyway, that's what I'm up to, and I'll take a quick shot of everything once I'm done. Actually, yeah. Oh, I love these. I love these fruit glasses. Aren't they cute? Cherries. I think they're all cherries except for that one. All right, more later. I'm just about done setting up. I'm just exhausted. I still have plenty to do, but anyway, there's dogs. There's just so much. Anyway, going out to the blinding light. We're still at it working. Steve hiding his face. Lawn chairs of happiness. So much stuff. That bed. Sorry for the unsteady hand. Ooh. Canning jars and rings. We got a fold-up bed. School desk. Excuse the loud noise. That's my husband. And dorm fridge. Oh, antique stool. There's just like stuff everywhere. And there's boxes to dig through too. Boxes on the table because I'm out of room. So anyway. Oops, that's terrible. Big, huge monster yard sale tomorrow and Saturday, 7 a.m. until. And I just noticed, what is that? There's a tree growing in my fireplace chimney. Interesting. So anyway, that's very off topic, but I'm also probably having a heat stroke again today, so I will see you guys tomorrow, hopefully. Bye.